मेरा वक्त आता नहीं, मैं खुद लाता हूं।
This is not a movie scene. This is not a game character. This person is an AI model. Right now, I'm demonstrating this in 16:9 ratio, but switching it to Instagram-friendly 9:16 ratio takes seconds. All you do is change the aspect ratio in the prompt. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you how to replace this face with yours and create cinematic videos. Videos that stand out on Reels and Shorts, make people stop scrolling and ask,
How did you do this?
Open gemini.google.com. Next, from Tools, select Create Images. Make sure Pro is selected. Now, click on plus icon and then Upload Files. Attach a clear photo of yourself. Front-facing, neutral expression. Now, paste this prompt. You'll find the direct link in the video description. There are no hidden steps, fees, or redirects involved. It's all free. Image is getting generated. Once you're happy, download it. This single image is all we need. Open your browser and search for Google Flow. Open the first link. Google Flow will open. Click on New Project. Rename your project anything you like. At the bottom, open the drop-down and choose Frames to Video. Click on the first plus icon, click Upload, and select the image we just created. Now choose Landscape or Portrait, depending on your image ratio. Adjust the crop if needed, and click Crop and Save. Once the image is uploaded, paste the JSON prompt here. I've added the link to this prompt in the description so you can copy it directly. Hit Enter, and now, just wait for the video to be completed. Once the video is completed, hover your mouse over it and click on Upscaled. It will take some time, but this downloads the video in HD quality. Next, go to Pixabay and download a background music of your choice. If you want extra impact, you can also download sound effects, like a leopard roar or ambient forest sounds. Now take your downloaded video into any video editor you prefer. Add the background music, layer sound effects if needed, adjust volume, and that's it.
मेरा वक्त आता नहीं।
If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to the channel. More cinematic AI tutorials coming soon.